we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of TITIDU sewing machine. Consists of the following features. 2 modes. In electric mode, you just need to insert the adapter and press the automatic button, and the machine can start running and the speed can be adjusted through the fast and slow key. You can also connect a foot switch to control the sewing speed according to your needs, allowing more precise control of speed and more adaptability for middle-aged and older people. Highly penetrative and solid. It can penetrate most thickness of fabric, allowing you to easily complete sewing without worrying about needle breaking, sticking, or weak penetration. The double thread design makes the stitching stronger. Strong function. By rotating the button, you can adjust the density of surface stitching and 5 types of stitching, including straight lines and curves. The presser foot and needle models are also replaceable to meet the needs of locking edges, cylinder seams, buttons, and buttonholes. It also has 2-way sewing, straight and reverse sewing, making your sewing more beautiful. Portable and compact. The compact size, 10.43 x 5.11 x 8.85 inches, and lightweight, 2.8 pounds, make the product easy to carry and store, allowing you to build a workbench anytime and anywhere. When not in use, it can be easily placed in a backpack or storage box, occupying less space. Considerate design. The automatic thread winding and tangent line function eliminates the need to manually wind and cut threads during the sewing process, thus effectively increasing your work efficiency. It is also equipped with LED lighting, allowing you to easily sew at night or in dim environments. Easy to use. The motorized design, dual speed control with manual and foot pedal, simple structure, clear control panel, and English manual make it easy to use. Even if you are a beginner, you can quickly get started and easily complete sewing tasks. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.